The environment of a manufacturing plant is often busy and noisy, but at Shaw Industries in Dalton, Georgia, nursing moms find a quiet, comfortable place to express milk. A converted storage room gives privacy, and floater staff provide coverage. The company HR manager and nurse work with local breastfeeding experts to train supervisors and arrange for a breast pump and supplies.
The lactation program here at Plant WM, or the mommy room as we call it, really began out of necessity. We have a lot of females that work at this plant. Some of them became new mothers, and we were contacted really by local resources here in the Dalton area about what was available to us to help us facilitate the need for on-site breastfeeding, breast pumping, lactation. The local resources helped us get started. All we had to do was find a place for it.
We put on our tennis shoes and our safety glasses and we walked around the plant and we looked for rooms that maybe they had never thought that could be used as a lactation room. And we just brainstormed as we went through the plant. And then once we chose a room, then I helped them to make the preparations to get the room put into place.
They actually came on site, advised us, supplied equipment, helped train us, really educate us on what it was about and how it could benefit our teammates. And you know, we were sold. I think it's a win-win situation for everyone involved.
Well, the room that they chose at this particular plant was an old office.
Well, we placed the lactation room on the 3rd floor. It's quieter up there, and so that gives them a more comfortable feeling that they know that nobody's going to be up there, because nobody's hardly ever up there.
The room is it's 5 minutes away, so it's real convenient for me, so I won't stay away from my job, and it's close, you know.
Inside the room is a chair and just a desk area, a pump. We've left literature there from WIC, and then we've also left literature there about breastfeeding.
They also provide us with a refrigerator so we can store our milk in there, so by the time we leave, so yeah, they set up the room real nice.
Covering mothers while they're in the room hasn't been an issue for us. Our plant, we have teams that work on each machine. It just simply takes teamwork, understanding.
So whenever I go on my break, I have 3 breaks, and every break, like I said, they give me some extra time, so I just take my time to eat and then to pump.
I don't have any issues in taking a few extra minutes at break to do what I have to do. And well, yes, everyone has supported me. The supervisors, my co-workers, well, everyone. I am grateful for it all.
I think the supervisors have been really the key to making this thing work. The supervisors make sure they do have the time to participate in this. I think the more you talk about it, the more people understand the importance of it to the mothers and to the children, and we simply make it happen. Everyone steps in and helps fill that void when they're off the line participating in this, just like they would if they were on any other break. So it really hasn't disrupted our operation at all.
We know that there is a return on investment. Of course, a lactation room is an investment about that big, but once these moms are back to work, they're not missing work in general. Their babies are going to be healthier. They're not going to be taking out a lot of sick days, because we know that breastfed infants have a way better chance and that they're going to spend a lot less time in the doctor's office in most cases.
It's been an education for all of us, but I think that we're at a point now where everyone's comfortable with it. Everyone realizes the benefit of having on-site facilities for this type of activity, and I think the teammates are really happy with it as well.
I'm real glad that I'm here with this plan, that they understand and they're real, you know, they give me the support, you know, to keep doing this and breastfeed my baby, one of the most important things.
You too can support nursing women at your business. Learn how to make it work at www.womenshealth.gov/breastfeeding/@-work. Supporting nursing women at work is good for business. 3-to-1 return on investment, helps recruit and retain good employees, lowers absenteeism rates, improves productivity, builds employee morale and loyalty. Funded by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Office on Women's Health. HHS has designed these videos solely for the purpose of providing examples of the ways businesses accommodate nursing women. Please contact your state labor department to assure that solutions comply with your state laws. HHS does not imply endorsement of any one strategy for compliance with the break time for nursing mothers provision of the federal law. All persons pictured in these videos have provided permission for use of their likeness for federal purposes only. Commercial business scenes do not imply endorsement by HHS.